Yan guys, that is all my visiting, a quick visit. I'm not expected this one, but all my manifesting in life will become true sooner or later. The destinations of others will be done, will be progress. So this is the tourist destination in Station 2 Boracay. So all I have to do is thank to the Lord that all the blessings showering upon us, all treasures, memories, and guidance to the Lord will be mesmerizing memories. This is Mr. Yoshalan or Provincianong Traveler Vlog. Isang nagpapasalamat, isang bumabati sa inyo. Good Thursday, Monday, Thursday, because tomorrow is Good Friday. So magnilay-nilay tayo sa ating mga sarili. So that's it. Going tayo sa Station 1 dahil gusto natin mag-ikot-ikot. Bukas sa Puka Beach naman tayo. Doon ang medyo makikita tayo ng mga sand castle. So once again, maraming salamat po kay Mr. Joel Iria for providing vehicle na masasakyan ko papuntang Boracay. So gayon pa man, nagpapasalamat ako kay Tito Ricky, Tito Ronnie, Tito Joel. Tito Ronnie for accommodation, for the wine, and Til kay Tito Ricky Wong for the transportation, kay Tito Joel Loria. Sabi nga, pag mabait ka sa kapwa, hindi akalain ang biyaya bumabalik sa iyo ay many of thousand folds, because hindi hadlang ang pagiging stranger, basta ipairal mo sa puso mo kung sino ka at ano ka, no matter what happen. Mas stranger ka man, tumando ka man, as long as you put in your heart that your heart is good intentional to the people who live for, who meet for, at the same time humility is the key to success as a person, to be a better citizenship of individual. So babalik ako ng Station 1 because in between ako ng Station 1 at saka Station 2. Maraming salamat for the wonderful experience. Hindi ako natuloy sa aking hometown magbakasyon dahil limited hours. But I'm happy that this is my second time visit at Boracay Station 2. Last year kasama ko ang tropa, si Police Executive Master Sergeant Ariel Naral, si Police Chief Master Sergeant Ronnie Sidjar, kay Sir J-Ben Nakita, si Chef sa Saturday ako evening or madaling araw ako babalik dahil Sunday back to work, dahil hindi ako pwede mag long vacation dahil kailangan magbakasyon din ng aking kasama sa office. So hindi man tayo magkikita ngayon, but in the near future magkikita-kita tayo. So, maraming salamat Boracay. Isang mesmerizing memories para sa akin to. Hindi ko makakalimutan ang kabaitan ng mga Aklanon, ng mga Boraqueños, mga Malays. Yes, Malay is the person who live here in Malay Aklan. Yan. So, this is the beauty of Boracay. This is the beauty of the island of 1,000 foreigners are visited. So maraming salamat po dahil ang aking pagpunta ay isang panandalian, but subalit isang malaking pasasalamat dahil spending time with myself, muni-muni, subalit hindi mababayaran ng salapi ang aking karanasan sa pagpunta ko dito. This is my second time to visit Boracay. So 3 years ago, so my first visit was June 2023, San Juan. Incentive ko yun. And then choose ko yung travel expense, travel incentive last 2023. And in 2024, this is my vacation leave. So napakabait ng aking kumpanya dahil binigyan ako ng ganitong pagkakataon, binigyan ako ng mga bagay na nagbigay sa akin ng kasiyahan, lalong-lalo na yan. Lahat ng mga bisita dito sa Boracay, magaganda ang katawan. Yan. So, malapit na po ako makarating sa aking paroroonan. Once again, maraming salamat po. This is Provinciano Traveler Vlog, nagsasabing have a bless and enjoy. Have a Lenten season to each and everyone. Thank you so much, and God bless and enjoy.